Okay, so the last video, there was a lot of just the thought process of trying to figure out where and what to cut and not turn this thing into a piece of scrap, so I have to go buy another one. I was going to edit a lot of that out, and I said, the hell with it, I'll just leave it in there. You know, just to demonstrate that when you're retrofitting things and fitting things, it's not always so easy to figure out something you don't do on a daily basis. Adjusting the gib, yeah, that's quick and easy, but fitting a new gib from a piece of raw gib stock that's made to accommodate multiple applications isn't so cut and dry. And so, you know, as the carpenters say, you have to measure twice and cut once. Sometimes you have to measure 3 or 4 times and cut once, just to get to the finish line. So what I've got here now is I rough cut the gib off with a die grinder and a cutoff wheel. It's on a taper, so I'm clamped in the vise at this end. The other end, I've got a piece of 50/50 wire solder clamped in there to take up the space and hold everything firmly. And now I'm just shaving the end off with this new end mill to take it down to my scribe line. And then once we get done with that, then we'll cut the pocket into it. And I'm just taking light cuts because I don't want anything loosening up on it. Like about another 10 thousandths or so to go to bring it down to my scribe line. And I think that's going to do her. Yeah, that should be close enough. Alright, so let me get it set up for the to cut the pocket in here to capture the adjustment screw, and then we'll get that. Okay, so I'm just taking 15 or 20 thousandths per cut and just easing down to the depth I need to get that pocket for the adjustment screw. Take one more cut and then measure it. Alright, let me get a measurement on this. Okay, so the gib is back in the compound slide. It's working pretty good. It's too tight, but that's just a matter of sanding it and fitting it some more. I'll do that sometime during the week. I'm not going to bother filming that. I'm sure you've had enough of watching the gib run back and forth on a piece of sandpaper. I stoned off the top of the tool rest there a little bit. That still needs a lot of work. It's got some big low spots in it, plus the chunk that's missing out of the corner where somebody crashed the lathe at some point. So that's it. I'm going to throw this back on the lathe. I think it's going to be good and useful. It's tight now, so that the cutting tool doesn't jump and dig in or anything. So I think that's going to be it. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you so desire. And we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.